So now let's start with the 37th activity. Just okay. Shall we start?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Now, concepts related to natural environment, vegetables and fruits. This is the 37th activity. In your chit, it would be written vegetables and fruit. You can either go for vegetables or you can go for fruits. Okay? Either of it. Only vegetable or only fruit. You can take both together also, like as you can tell them, yes children, we have already learned about fruits and vegetables. Let's do classification. Okay, so that way also can be done. Okay, I'll show you both the things, fruits also and vegetables also. You can select any one. Okay. Good afternoon, children. How are you all today? Yes? All fresh? Okay. I want you all to fold your hands, sit straight, look here. Yes. Now see here. What is teacher having here? Okay, I have a basket full of vegetables. Yes, lovely vegetables I have. Here I have. See, what do I have? Wow, what is this? Everyone likes to eat. Yes, potato. Very good. Yes, you like batata vada? Okay. Your mama makes this. Very good. Okay. Acha, you say aloo. Okay, fine. And yours. See which vegetable I have? Yes, this is brinjal. Yes. Okay. Now, see children, there are some vegetables which we can eat raw. Yes. See here, which vegetable you can eat raw? Carrot. Okay. Yes. Cabbage. Okay. Onion. Very good. Yes. Radish. Correct. All these vegetables you can eat raw. But there are some vegetables which we need to cook and eat. Like potato. Yes. Brinjal. Yes. So these are vegetables where we need to cook and eat. And there are some vegetables which you can eat raw. Okay? Yes? Okay, tell me one by one. I'm going to ask everyone. Which vegetable you like the most? Okay? Come on, Rashmi, tell me which vegetable you like. Yes.
Potato.
Potato. Okay, Devashri, come on, tell me which vegetable you like.
Carrot.
Yes. Which one?
Carrot.
Carrot. Yes, Rupali.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Yes. See? Bhavna, come on, tell me which vegetable.
Potato.
Potato. Okay, Andrea. Yes. Which one?
Capsicum.
Capsicum. Green in color. Yes. Candice, which vegetable you like?
Ladyfinger.
Ladyfinger. Wow. Rinku?
Ladyfinger.
Ladyfinger. Yes. So children, yes, we'll all have to eat vegetables. Vegetables keeps us healthy. Yes. Come on. Let's sing a song. Yes. Come on, everyone. Ready to sing a song? Yes, आलू बोला मुझको खा लो मैं तुम्हें मोटा कर दूंगा. पालक बोली मुझको खा लो मैं तुम्हें ताकत दे दूंगी. साथ में मूली गाजर बोले अगर हमें भी खाओगे तो खूब बड़े हो जाओगे. तो खूब बड़े हो जाओगे. Yes, children. So we should eat all vegetables. Got it? Yes.
Yes.
You can only go for like giving them, come on, I'm going to give you all a worksheet. Now, here you are going to color the vegetable here. Yes. As you all said, you all like to eat potato, right? So here, what are you going to do? Yes, I want you all to color it. Okay? Yes? Got it? Yes, children? You all can see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can give this. You can sing a song related to vegetables. Yes? Okay? Clear? Fine. Now, we can go for fruits, only fruits also. Okay. Now, if you are introducing fruit, only one at a time. If you have already taught them, you can go for like classification. Okay. Now, I'll show you the fruits. You can even arrange a fruit week. You can also arrange a fruit vegetable day, vegetable week, where children dress up as a vegetable or dress up as a fruit. Okay. Come on, let's start with fruits. Yes. Okay. Yes, children. What are we celebrating today? Yes. Yes, today is a fruit day and I told everyone, yes, everyone have a fruit in their tiffins. Yes, okay. Come on, Rupali, tell me which fruit have you brought today? Oh, Mama gave you banana. Wow. Bhavna, you have an apple. Wow, very
Yes.
good. What about Natasha? Oh, you brought chiku. Wow. Teacher, show me, what do you have? Strawberries. Wow, very good. Okay, so children, here, see, I have a fruit chart. Can you see here? Yes, and which fruit is this? Oh, red apple. Yes, here, which fruit is this? Mango. Who likes to eat mango? Come on, tell me. Who likes to eat mango? Everyone. Yes. And do you know, children, mango is a king of fruits. Yes. Everyone likes to eat, right? What do you like to eat? Amras. Okay. Very good. Very nice. So here, these are fruits and we need to eat fruits. Yes, to make ourselves healthy. Right? Okay, come on. Let's sing a song. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya. Chiku, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. Apple, mango, banana, banana. Chiku, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. Yes, did you all enjoy it? Very good. Clap your hands. Very nice. You can take another activity like, children, we have already learned fruits. Now I want you all to identify which fruit is this. Okay? Here, come on. Teacher is going to show. Okay? Which fruit is this? Come on, tell me.
Watermelon.
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 Very good. Now, here tell me. Which fruit is this?
Grapes.
Grapes.
Very good, Kamisa. Very nice. Here, which fruit is this?
Mango.
Mango.
Afreen, very good. Mango.
Mango.
Very nice. Okay. Which fruit is this? Come on, come on.
Apple.
Apple. Apple.
Chiku.
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 Very good. Now tell me.
Banana.
Banana.
Banana, very nice. Very good. All my smarties. Very good. So children, very nice. You all are able to identify the fruits. Very good. Fine. So what we learned today about fruits. Clear? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
Yes.
You can go for classification. Here, look here, what do I have? Here I have a basket full of fruits and vegetables together. Okay? Now, it is all jumbled. I will be calling two children over here. Yes, one by one. Wait 1 minute. Now, what are you supposed to do? I have two baskets. One is green basket for vegetable and one is yellow color basket for fruits. You have to classify them. Okay, come on Rinku, pick up anything from this basket. Yes. Oh, what is this? Yes, this is capsicum. Okay, capsicum is a fruit or a vegetable. Yes, it is vegetable. So where you will be keeping this? In a green color basket. Very good. So come on, keep it in a green color basket. Very nice. Clap for Rinku. Got it, children? So we learned about fruits and vegetable. Any doubts? No? Okay. Now, here, if possible, bring different kinds of vegetables and fruits to show to children. Cut them in front of children, let the children see them, touch them, and if possible, taste them. If you want to make them taste, you need to take a prior permission of parents. Okay? Children may have any allergy, so better it is you take a prior permission and you make them taste, or else you can tell parents to send the fruits. Okay? Take children to kitchen garden and involve children in activities such as sewing and watering. You can take children for a field trip where fruits and vegetables are grown. Yes, you can arrange a field trip also. Okay? Have you all seen kitchen garden, children? देखा है आप लोगों ने? नहीं, जहाँ vegetables grow होते हैं? Nobody? किसी ने नहीं देखा है?
No, miss.
हाँ?
I didn't get you what you said.
Have you all ever seen a kitchen garden or where the fruits, vegetables are grown?
Vegetables I know, as we only do the cultivation of that.
Okay.
But fruits like bananas,
हाँ, bananas, yes.
mangoes, in our fields only it is. But not other fruits like apple and all that we don't have.
Apple के लिए हमें कश्मीर जाना पड़ेगा.
Love apples. So all vegetables we have.
अच्छा? Okay, very nice. So you can, you know, when you take them, there is one in Bhainder, I think so. Keshav Shrishti.
Yes, correct.
Right? There you can take the children and you can show them. Okay, there are many vegetables grown over there. You can show them. It would be very excitement for them to see actually vegetables grown on the plant. Okay. Yes. Okay. In the center, snacks like salads, fruit chaat, sprouted moong dal chaat, lemonade, etc. can be prepared in front of children. Children can participate in preparation of snacks by peeling boiled potatoes, adding sugar or salt, serving, etc. While preparing snacks, talk to children about fruits and vegetables. Example, their shape, color, taste, etc. Okay, you can do this. Rhymes, songs and stories on fruits and vegetables should be told to children. So you can arrange. Okay, fine. Cleared about fruits and vegetables? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, let's move ahead. The next one is animal, birds and insects. आपकी चिट में लिखा होगा एनिमल, बर्ड्स एंड इंसेक्ट. आपको कोई भी एक करना है. Either you go for animal or you go for birds or you go for insect. Okay, any one. Now in animals also you have an option. Either you go for wild animals, domestic animals or pet animals. Okay, I will show you all everything. मैं आपको सब कुछ दिखा रही हूँ. Okay, you can make a note if you want. Okay, let's talk about animals. Good afternoon, everyone. See, look here. Yes, teacher is going to show you all something. Yes. Okay, look here. What do I have? Yes, here. Oh my. What is this? Tiger. Okay. Here, look here. What do I have?
Elephant.
Yes. What is this? Elephant. Okay. Here, look here. What do I have? Yes. What is this? Oh,
Deer.
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 Okay.
Deer.
Yes. So, children, can we see tiger, elephant, deer on the road? Roaming
No.
here and there?
No.
No. Why? Because these animals are called as a wild animals. What are these animals called as? Wild.
Wild
animals.
animals.
Live in forest. Yes. You're on the road. Can you keep them in your house?
No.
Can
No.
you keep a tiger in your house?
Okay,
No.
mommy. You'll be fine, mommy.
No, you can't, because these are wild animals. They live in forest. You can see them in zoo. Where you can see them? In the zoo. Yes. So these animals are called as wild animals. What are they called as? Yes.
Wild animals.
Wild animals. Yes. Now, children, last week teacher taught you all about wild animals. This week I'm going to teach you all something else. Look here. I have a chart, and on this chart, can you see some animals? Yes.
Thank you,
Like
mommy.
cow.
Thank you for leaving me. Thank you for.
Cow. Yes. Goat. Okay. Then, yes, what is this? Horse. Okay. Sheep. Okay. So all these animals, they are called as domestic animals. Domestic animals are those animals who help us. Yes. How do these animals help us? Like cow. Cow gives us milk. Yes. Okay. During winters, what do you wear? Sweaters. Sweaters are made up of wool. Who gives wool? Sheep. Yes. So these animals are called as domestic animals, or even they are called as a farm animals. Yes. Come on, let's sing a song. Old MacDonald had farm, he had some dogs. E-I-E-I-O. And a bow bow here, and a bow bow there. You're a bow, they're a bow, everywhere a bow bow. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Yes, so what we learned, children, today about domestic animals. Very good. Okay, now, come on, children, tell me, who has a pet in your house? Come on. Who is having a pet? Tell me. Yes. Afreen, you have a pet? Okay, tell me which pet do you have? You have a dog. Okay. Yes. Anybody else having a pet in your house?
I have horses.
You have?
Horses as a pet. Horses. Horses.
I'm not getting.
Horses.
Horses. Okay. Fine. Then any pet?
Cat. Cat.
Okay. Yes.
Tortoise.
Yes.
Love. Love birds.
Tortoise. Okay. Then
Love birds.
yes. Okay. So, see children, there are pets like pet animals are those animals whom we keep in our house. Okay. We take care of those animals. Yes. Then what we do? We play with them. Yes. So we have pets here like dog, cat, rabbit. Yes. Here. See, can you see what is this? Fishes, turtles. Yes. Tortoise. So all these are pet animals. Yes. Okay. So I want you all go home and you can bring a picture of your pet. Okay. This is a homework, and the one who does not have pet, no problem. Okay. But the one who have will bring a picture of a pet. Okay. Fine. So understood about pet animals, children? So here you have an option in animals. आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो. Wild animal, domestic or pet animals. Okay. Now let's talk about birds. Okay. Come on everyone. I want you all to do flying action. Come on everyone, do flying action. Karo. Come on, come on, come on. Let's do all flying action. Okay. Do you all have wings? No. Do you know birds have wings? And with their wings, they can fly. Yes. So, children, birds fly with the help of their wings. And there are some birds which cannot fly high up in the sky, like duck, peacock, cock, hen. Yes. But there are some birds which can fly high up in the sky. Can you tell me? Yes. Eagle, vulture, yes. Owl, yes. All these birds can fly high up in the sky. Now, children, today I am going to give you a worksheet where in this worksheet there is a bird which comes near your window pane. Yes? Which bird comes near your window pane? Tell me.
Pigeon.
Sparrow.
Sparrow. Parrot.
Okay, fine. Today I'm going to give you a picture of crow. You have to color the crow. What is the color of the crow?
Black.
Black. Okay, fine. So you are going to color it. Okay, fine. So this is all about birds. Clear? Any doubts? Now, let's talk about insects. Okay, children? Now, can you name some insects which come in your house?
Butterfly,
Ants.
Butterfly,
ants,
Ants.
housefly,
housefly,
Butterfly.
butterfly,
Mosquitoes.
mosquito,
Mosquito.
any more insects?
cockroach,
Cockroach.
Cockroaches, yes.
dragonfly,
Dragonfly,
bad bug,
okay.
lizard,
Lizard is a reptile, it is not an insect.
Grasshopper.
What else? Tell me.
Honeybee. Honeybee.
In your house,
Housefly.
spider,
spider. Yes, you see spider in your house. Insects, children have 6 to 8 legs. Yes. Okay. Come on, let's sing a song related to spider. Incy Wincy Spider climbed the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy Spider climbed the spout again. Yes? So what we learned, children, today about insects. Clear?
Iniki strawberry cake kolam. Mama bake kuni konwal.
Oh yes.
Say. Okay. Just a second. Fine, clear? Any doubts? Done? So we are done with animal, birds and insects. Okay? Now, make children aware of the animals and birds in the environment. Provide opportunities to children to observe them. Take children for nature walk. Nature walk provides a very good opportunity to children to see cows, rabbits, sparrows, crow, hens, etc. If magnifying glass is available, it can be taken along as it can provide exciting view of the movements of insects, birds and their homes. And homes to children, especially in the rainy season, for example, ant hills, birds' nest, etc. You can arrange a field trip taking children to zoo. Okay, आप arrange कर सकते हो field trip. Fine, clear? Any doubts? If possible, bring a few birds and animals like puppies, kittens, rabbits, mice, etc. for children and give them information about the animals and birds. Nowadays, school arranges such type of programs where they have an animal show in the school. Have you all seen? Domestic animals है तो domestic animals लेकर आते हैं. सुना है आपने?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Make picture cards of animals, birds and insects. Shuffle them and give them to children to arrange in separate piles of animal pictures, bird pictures and insect pictures. This classification activity is very useful for the evaluation of each child also. Okay. आप क्लासिफिकेशन करवा सकते हो. Children, we have already learned, yes, we have already learned about animal, birds and insects. So now what are you going to do? Yes, you are going to classify them. Okay, I'll be showing you a picture card over here. It is of an elephant. Elephant is animal, bird or
Animal.
insect?
Animal.
Animal.
Wild animal.
Animal. Okay, this is a picture of parrot. Parrot is
Bird.
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 bird. Okay, this is a picture of spider. Spider is
Insect.
Insect.
okay. So this way you can go for it. Any doubts? Yes. Any doubt related to this? Shall I
No,
move
ma'am.
further?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next one is plant life. Now for plant life, children, आप बच्चों के लिए especially preschool play group children, they will not understand about plant life. Okay. Yes, nursery you can tell them we should not, nursery and playgroup children, we should not pluck flowers. Okay, they get hurt. You cannot break those leaves. Okay, so ये आप बता सकते हो. Yes, you can take an activity on coloring the flower, leaves. Okay, that you can take, but making them understand plant life, it is difficult. Yes, for playgroup nursery you can go for like especially environment week, where you can make the children sow some seeds. You can tell them to bring a plastic glass or a thermocol glass, where we give them seeds. They have to sow. We write the name on the glass and then we give them. It is a takeaway. We sow the seeds. छोटे छोटे plants saplings होंगे, फिर उनको दे देते हैं. So they feel very happy. Oh, this is my plant. Okay. So they feel happy and they take care. We tell them we need to take care of these plants. We need to water them every day. And this is how we can go for an activity for a playgroup and nursery. Okay. For junior, senior, junior KG, you can teach them like taking care again. You can make them sow. Yes, senior KG, we can take germination, seed germination, right? You can even explain them with an experiment like, see here children, yes, I told everyone, yes, this group has brought seeds. Okay, group B has brought pot. Okay, so here I have 2 pots over here. I'm going to put some mud in this. Okay, some seeds in this. Now let's water this pot and keep this here near the window pane. Okay, now every day children, make sure you remind teacher to pour some water in it. Yes, and this pot I'm going to keep it in the cupboard. Okay, so here this pot we have kept in the cupboard. Now after a week we are going to check this. Okay. Okay, let's children see. Yes, we have kept last week 2 pots. Yes. Okay, let's bring here the pot which was on the window pane. Yes, form a circle. Come here, see. Wow, what can you see here? Yes, small shoots coming out. Yes, you can see small leaves also. Okay. Now tell me, how they were able to grow? Yes, teacher used to water them every day. Okay. Now there is one more pot. Where it is? Inside the cupboard. Let's bring that. Okay, here it is. Okay. Oh my, there is is nothing inside. Why? How come? Why there is nothing? Okay. Now tell me, children, if you don't drink milk, you don't have food, what does your mama say? You will not grow, right? You will not be healthy. So as we need food, water, yes, to make ourselves healthy and to grow, same way plants also need. What they need? Water and sunlight to grow. So the pot which was inside the cupboard, there was no water, no sunlight. So they were not able to grow. But the pot which was outside, yes, there was water and sunlight. So they were able to grow. Correct? So children, what did we learn today? About the plant life. Yes. Okay? Understood? Yes, everyone? Any doubts? Okay. I want somebody to read. Who'll read?
Can I, ma'am?
Yes.
Plant life. If possible, get each child to bring a small tin, fill it with mud and plant a seed in it. For example, a rajma seed. If the activity cannot be done by each child, at least it should be done in small groups. Let each group water its plant regularly and keep it in a place where it gets enough light and air. Encourage children to observe the sprouting of plant and its growth.
Yes.
Second one, creative activities, particularly coloring trees, flowers, etc. with different colors also help children to distinguish different plants and trees. Third one, a simple experiment can be done by putting one container with seed inside a cupboard or in a closed, badly place. Ventilated place. Plant another seed in a container which is kept in a well-ventilated place where sunlight can reach the container. Then let children observe the difference. Encourage children to express what they observe.
Yes. Clear? Any doubts?
Yes. No.
No? Okay. Now the next concept is concepts related to physical environment. Now let's talk about water. This is the 40th activity. Okay. Now when we talk about water, playgroup children will not understand. उनको कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा. वाटर कंसेप्ट बच्चों को नहीं समझा पाओगे प्ले ग्रुप के बच्चों. Nursery children, you can take an activity related uses of water. Yes. Where do we use water, children? Come on, tell me. Yes. Where do you
Drinking.
use?
Drinking, bathing, cooking,
Drinking,
bathing,
Washing utensils.
Washing clothes.
Your mama uses water to wash utensils, clothes. Okay, then. Yes.
For cooking food.
Cooking food, we water the plants. Even plants need water. Yes. For cleaning house, we need water. Okay. So there are many places where we use water. Yes, water is very important. We should not waste water, right? Yes? Okay. Now, with senior KG children, junior KG also you can go for sources of water. From where do we get water, children? Tell me. Yes. Yes. Rainy.
Rain.
Rain. See, the rainy season is going on. So we get water from rain.
Rains.
Then from where we get water?
Wells.
Wells.
From the tap. Okay. From the well. Okay, fine. Where else you get water?
Lake.
Lakes
Pond.
and rivers.
River, sea. Okay. So these are the places these are the sources of water we get water. Okay. Now, here with a senior KG, you can go with this experiment. Here, what do I have? See, here I have a tub filled with water, and here I have few objects. Here I have sugar, salt. I'm going to add this in the water. Okay. Here I have a stone. I'm putting it into the water. 5 rupee coin. Okay. Here I have some thermocol balls. Okay. Here I have a piece of wood. Now I'm going to put this everything in the water. Stir it, stir it, stir it. Okay. Now, come on children, see, look here in the water. Yes. What can you see? Oh, 5 rupee coin and the stone is down. Yes. It has sinked in the water. Yes, it has settled down there in the water. Right? And what about thermocol balls? Yes, a piece of wood floating on the water. Yes. And where is sugar and salt? I can't see sugar and salt. Where it is?
Diluted.
Oh, it
Dissolved.
got dissolved. It has got mixed in the water. Okay. So children, there are few things which get dissolved in water. That is, they get mixed in water. Yes, some sinks in water and some floats on water. Yes. Your mama makes lemon juice. Okay, lemon juice. Yes. So what mama adds in a lemon juice? She takes glass of water. See here I have a glass of water. I'm going to add sugar in this. Okay. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt and some drops of lemon. Stir it. Now here my lemon juice is ready. Can you see lemon in this? Sugar? No. Salt? No. It has got mixed in this, right? Yes?
Yes.
Oh, yes. So here there are few things which get dissolved in water, few things floats on water, and yes, some sinks in water. So did you all enjoy this activity related water? Yes, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Okay. Any doubts? Yes, children, any doubts related to water?
No, ma'am.
Okay, structured conversation relating to water will help children pick up more information about the uses, sources, and forms of water. Now, forms of water would be little difficult for a child, okay? Yes, you can only show them solid liquid state. Okay, ice, solid form. When it melts, it's a liquid. Get children to mix different colors into water and pour water into containers of different shapes during free play. Children will discover that water has no color or shape of its own. Now, properties of water is again a little difficult. even for senior KG, to make them understand. Okay. Take a small tub or a container of water. Keep handy a variety of commonly available objects. For example, twigs, pebbles, nails, feather, cotton, wool, coin, etc. Let children drop these objects in the water one by one and observe that some objects float and some sink. Okay. Clear the one which I showed you all. Any doubts? Anybody? Any doubt? No? Yes? Okay, fine. Now let's move ahead. Just give me a second, na children. Just excuse me. Fine, so let's move ahead. The next one is air. Okay, let's start. Okay, good morning everyone. Yes, everyone looking fresh today. Okay, so today is a Monday morning. Okay, now Devashri, tell me, yesterday was Sunday. So where you went? On beach? Wow. You enjoyed on the beach? Very nice. You played in the sand. Very good. And what did you do there? Oh, you made a castle. Very good. Very nice. Okay. So, Devashri went yesterday on beach. And on beach, how did you feel over there? Nice, cool. Breeze were coming. Okay. Can you bring those breeze here in the school or at home? Can you carry that? No. Okay. Why? You cannot see them, right? But you can feel? Okay, fine. Now, do you all have book on your desk? Yes? Okay. Now, take your book in your hand and wave this way. Come on. Everyone, do it. Okay. Now, tell me. Can you feel it?
Yes, ma'am.
But can you see it? No. So, children, there is air everywhere. The air is around us. Okay. We cannot see it, but we can feel it. Okay. Now, I'm going to give a balloon. See here, what do I have? A balloon. I'm going to give everyone one balloon, okay? What you are supposed to do, you need to blow. What are you supposed to do? Blow, okay? Come on, blow the balloon. Look here how teacher is blowing the balloon. Yes, teacher has blown a balloon. Now I'm going to release this. How did I blow? Blow with, yes. What is there inside? There is air. Now I'm going to release it. Yes. Can I see it? No, but I can feel it. Yes. Clear? So what we have learned today about air. Air is everywhere. We cannot see the air, but we can feel the air. Okay? Clear? Any doubts, children? No? Completely fine? Yes? Yes, everyone? Okay. Let children create a breeze with the help of small hand fans, which can be made by children themselves by folding paper, book, notebook, or a cardboard piece. Can also be used for this purpose. Let children observe air as it blows away light objects and then, in the environment, for example, leaves, paper, etc. Let children enjoy blowing balloons and then releasing air from them to see the impact of air. Clear? Any doubts? No? Now, let's talk about sky. Okay? Okay, children. Let's go down on the ground. I want everyone. Yes, come on, everyone. Let's go down on the ground. Follow the teacher. Very good. Now, can you see there is a mat? Yes, you have to sit on this mat. Okay, very good. Now, come on, look up in the sky. Everyone, look up in the sky. Okay. What can you see in the sky? Yes, Sanika. Clouds. Okay. Tina, tell me what you can see. Okay, birds are flying. Okay, fine. Oh, you saw an aeroplane. Okay, very good. Fine. Okay, so everyone observe the sky? Yes? Okay, come on, let's go back. Come on, everyone, let's go back. Very good in the class. Follow the teacher. Yes. So, what did you all observe in the sky? How was the sky looking? Come on, tell me. What did you
Bright.
saw? Yes? Yes, Candice, what did you saw?
Clouds.
Clouds. Okay, then
Birds.
Birds.
birds. Okay.
Aeroplane.
You saw birds. Okay. You
Sun.
aeroplane. Okay. You saw sun. Okay. What else? What else you saw? Anything else?
Light.
Huh? What you saw?
Kite.
Kite. Okay.
Clouds.
Yes.
Helicopter.
Helicopter. Okay. Right. So, okay. Now tell me, what was the color?
Blue sky.
Okay, the sky was blue. Okay, fine.
It is a sunny day.
Okay. Fine. Now, there is a homework for you all. You have to go home and observe the sky. Okay? What are you going to observe? At night, you will observe the sky. And tomorrow, we are going to have a free conversation. I'm going to ask you. Fine? Okay, so children, did you observe the sky? Yes? Did you observe? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. What you saw?
Moon.
Star.
Stars. Moon.
Moon.
You saw stars. Okay.
Moon.
Moon. Okay.
Aeroplane.
Okay. What else?
Aeroplane.
You are able to see the lights, right? Okay.
Aeroplane.
Then,
Dark clouds.
huh?
Dark clouds.
Dark clouds. Okay, fine.
In a daytime, a rainbow.
Pardon?
Rainbow in a daytime.
No, I'm asking about night.
Okay.
Any
Lightning. Light.
Imaginary cartoons.
lightning. Okay, during rainy season.
Rainy season.
Okay, fine. When we burst crackers. Yes. Do we see that? Okay, what was the color of the sky?
Rockets.
What was the color of the sky?
Dark blue.
Dark gray.
Black.
Black. Yes. So the color of the sky was
Black.
black. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to give you a worksheet. Okay. And in this worksheet, there are few objects, okay, which you see in the sky. Okay. So you have to tell me during daytime which object you see and during night time which object you see. Okay. Are you all ready? Okay. Now, during daytime in the sky or during night time?
Daytime.
Daytime.
What are we going to write?
Day. D.
Day. Night.
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 N.
Night.
And
And
Okay.
Yes.
Stars,
night.
night.
Night. N.
aeroplane,
Day.
Night.
Day.
Day.
Day. Night.
day and night. Yes. But at night, it is not clearly visible, right? You can see
Yes.
the lights,
Lights.
right?
Day.
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 Ma'am, can you
Children? Yes. So what we have learned? We have learned about the sky. What we have learned? We have learned about sky.
Sky.
Okay. Chalo. Who will read now? Rupali?
Yes, miss. I'll read it.
Yes.
Just a minute.
No problem.
My son woke up. Sky. Stories and songs related to the sun, the moon, and stars should be told to children. Dramatization with stick puppets or with mask of the sun, the moon, and stars is also an enjoyable and useful activity. Creative activities for tearing, pasting, and collage work should also be done with children on the theme sky. A magic painting with the theme night sky can be made by children.
Yes, got it? Okay, you can go for a magic painting. वो कर सकते हो. You can go for tearing and pasting activity also. Okay, you can take a story also related to it. Okay, you can sing a rhyme. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Yes. Okay. Fine. Any doubts related to this? Okay. Here, Swati, Krisha, and Sanika. Okay. I would request you all, you put on your videos. Subia, I think so, had already earlier said because of, but see, next time when you all are in the lectures, online sessions, you have to keep on your videos, okay? If it is not on, later on, for the further, you will not be allowed, they will keep you in waiting, okay? Swati,
Okay, miss.
Krisha,
Okay, miss.
why your video is off? Any particular reason?
Ma'am, actually, battery problem on my phone. Like some battery issue.
Battery issue. But
Yeah.
whatever it is, you please keep on for your online session.
Okay, okay.
And Krisha, what about you? Krisha? Krisha is there. So why it is off? I want you to put on your video. Your mic is also off. Okay.
Sanika.
Ma'am, actually your message saying it's not working.
Yes, I got it. Yes. Yes, I have read the chat. Krisha, I have read your chat. Make sure you use your laptop or you take a mobile phone. Okay? Fine. Because
Okay, ma'am.
yes.
Need to ask one question. As you said that water is 40 number topic. So what about the animal, birds and insect? Are they classified different? That's 38, 37, 36. Are they all coming in the 38 number?
Yes, all are in 38.
Okay.
I already said you can either go for animal, birds or insects. कुछ भी ले सकते हो. Animals में भी आप classify कर सकते हो. ठीक है? See children, from most probably from 6th of July, we are starting with the PG lectures. Okay? You'll be getting the schedule. We will be sending in the group once we get everyone, if they fill their survey form. Once we get everything in our hand and we are planning. So, in that there would be some rules and regulation which you need to follow, those who are PG students. Okay? For online sessions, if you have not registered, you will not be entered. You will not be able to enter the Zoom lecture. Whatever you have mentioned, according to that only. And your WhatsApp number should be there. Your email ID should be there. You all have written that. सबने fill किया है form.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर
Yes,
वो
ma'am.
सब होगा तभी आपको enter किया जाएगा लेक्चर में. ओके, PG5 सबका बाकी है, कितनों का बाकी है? Raise your hands. PG5 almost. Fine, no problem. So make sure आप लोग ने फॉर्म भरे हो. सबने भरा है गूगल फॉर्म?
Yes, ma'am.
Today is the last lecture of Model 4.
Pardon?
Today is the last lecture of Model 4.
Yes, today it is the last lecture, and most probably by 6th of July we are starting with the PG lectures.
And what about Model 1? Actually, I missed that. Model 1.
1, 2 would first we will be completing PG lectures, and then we will start with the ECC and Module 1, 2. So July month is completely with the PG lectures. Then by August we will start with the ECCN lectures. Okay.
Your voice is breaking.
Pardon?
Voice is breaking.
My network
Voice
is
is
correct over here.
It's getting garbled.
Can you hear me?
It is coming in bits and pieces. I mean,
Bits and here my network is completely fine.
Ma'am,
Please
Ma'am
check.
Shanti.
Huh?
Ma'am, what about this art and craft workshops and all?
Art and craft workshops होंगे August month में.
It will be in August month. Okay.
Yes, first or second week of August we will start.
Okay.
Even rhymes.
Okay, ma'am. Rhymes is also left.
Yes, yes. सब कुछ लिया जाएगा. Everything we will be covering. Don't worry. Everything
ma'am.
we are going to cover it up.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Because as it is, you all know, the lockdown has been extended 31st July. So we don't have any options now. Okay, so we have to go for. Okay, Sanika has a doubt. When do we have to submit the projects? Okay. सानिका, प्रोजेक्ट्स जब आपकी एग्जाम्स होगी तभी आपको सबमिट करना है. Till now we don't know when the exams would be conducted because up till 31st July there is a lockdown. उसके बाद ही जब होगा.
Shops are not open, our project तो start ही नहीं हुआ है क्योंकि मटेरियल से नहीं है.
Yes.
ये प्रॉब्लम है.
वो आपका जो क्राफ्ट क्रिएटिविटी का जो है उसके लिए भी जैसे अगर आप वर्कशॉप्स कैसे हम ले, मटेरियल तो मिलना चाहिए ना.
वही प्रॉब्लम.
इसलिए उसकी वजह से हम अटके हैं. ओके, आई थिंक सो दैट शॉप इज ओपन ना. प्रोजेक्ट वाला शॉप है ना, महावीर बैकवेल is near the Vidyanidhi.
But I stand behind us, so problem.
हाँ, not possible only. That is.
मैम मड आइलैंड में पूरा लॉकडाउन है.
हाँ,
हमारे घर के पास पूरा लॉकडाउन है, एकदम पूरा बैरियर लगा हुआ है, पत्रे लगा दिए.
अच्छा, where you stay?
मड आइलैंड.
Okay.
बस को BST बस को भी नहीं आने दे रहे.
Why it's so severe it is over there?
Yes, because doctor got positive, doctor and doctor's wife.
Oh.
So the doctor treated the patient, all got infected. So it's completely locked down over here.
Okay. In here also it is the same situation. Yes, we cannot travel now anywhere else as it is only in 2 kilometers.
Yes, 2 kilometers.
Yes.
Yeah, now.
So अभी तो हम कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते, घर पे बैठ के बस लेक्चर ही सुनते रहो. ठीक है? चलो, let's move ahead. The concept of social environment. Okay. Now, up till now, we completed 42 activities. Now, this is our 43 activity. Okay. Now, when we talk about self and family, okay. Self and family, the first and the important thing, when we talk about self, we introduce ourselves with I and my. My name is Jitisha. I am a girl. I live in Korai, right? So here you can tell children, come on children, let's have a free conversation. Yes, let's talk about myself. I'm going to call everyone here out and you have to say 3 lines on yourself. Okay? Chalo, first I will start. Okay, I am a girl. My name is Jitisha. I live in Korai. Okay, now I want, yes, Divyashri, come on, talk about yourself.
Hello, my name is Divyashri. I stay in Malad.
Okay, fine. Now I want Rinku. Come on, Rinku, say.
My name is Rinku. I am a girl. I reside in Borivali.
Okay, yes, come on, Chitra.
Hello, hi, my name is Chitra. I live in Malad and I love eating bananas and cake.
Okay, so yes, children, what we have done today, free conversation. Did you all enjoy introducing yourself? Yes? Okay, so tomorrow what are we going to do? We are going to do the same activity, that is having a free conversation. And in free conversation, we are going to talk about, yes, about yes, okay, we are going to talk about our family. Very good. Okay, now, Hinja, come on Hinja, tell me, how many people are there in your house? Okay, you yourself, your mama, dada, okay. So you all are 3 people, okay? So here in your family, there are 3 members staying and they are called as a family, okay. Now, let's talk about Andrea. Andrea, how many people are there in your house? You yourself, mommy, daddy, brother, uncle, aunt, grandmother, grandfather. Oh, it's a big family. So here, where all the people staying together in a house becomes a family, right? So here Andrea is having a big family and Nita is having a small family, right? Okay. Now, I'm going to give you all a worksheet. This worksheet you will take home and you have to do this homework. What are you going to do? Yes. Yes, can you see this tree? Yes. Here you are going to stick your photograph. Okay. Then here, your mummy, father. If you have brother or a sister, you will stick a photograph. Your grandmother, grandfather. If you have aunt, uncle, and if you have cousins, okay? So you are going to stick picture. This is your family tree. What is this? Your family tree, okay? Fine. Can you see here in the classroom what do we have? Yes. This is our class family tree. Yes. We all are also a family here in the class. Okay. So children, what did we learn today about family? Yes. Clear? Yes. Okay. Who will read? Yes, Afreen, read.
Self and family. First one, provide children with opportunities to see themselves and other children in a mirror. If possible, fix a mirror at a low level. Second one, an introduction game can be played with children. Let all children sit in a circle. The teacher will start by singing her name. Then each child has to sing her name by turn. The same activity can be done with father's or mother's name also.
Correct.
Third point. Children should be asked to get pictures of family members. The teacher should help them to make a family tree. Fourth one, in free conversation sessions, ensure that children pick up basic information about themselves and their immediate family.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, community helpers. Okay. Who are community helpers?
Sweeper, doctor,
Postman. People who help us.
postman,
One who helps us.
policeman,
Community helpers are those people who help
Cobbler.
Right? Correct. Who brings milk?
milkman,
Milkman.
The first answer by the children would be मम्मी लेकर
Mummy.
आती है.
दूध वाला.
Right?
Hmm.
Yes. Is very less milkman you see. Okay. Most of mummy and papa.
Go to the shop.
Remember, grandfather, grandmother. So here we can explain. We see children person appointed. Who brings
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, there's a lot of disturbance also behind.
Yes. Please everyone mute yourself. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, who is milkman? Milkman is a person who is appointed, who brings milk and gives milk to everyone. Your mama does not go everywhere in all the house and goes and gives milk. Does your mama give? She only brings for your house, right? But there is a person called a milkman who serves everyone. Okay? So he is called as a community helper. Now, when you fall sick, who gives you medicine?
Doctor.
मम्मी. पर मम्मी किसके पास लेकर जाती है आपको?
Doctor.
Doctor के पास. Yes. So doctor is a community helper. Okay. You can take an activity with community helper like fancy dress competition. You can arrange. You can have a theme of community helpers where children completely dress up. Okay. Right? You can
Picture chat.
pardon?
Picture chat also, ma'am.
With the picture charts also. Yes. Okay. You can go with like once the children are able to identify the community helpers, you can enact in front of them and they can do this. Yes. Just a second. Actually. Okay. So with the community helpers, yes, you can dramatize in front of them and you can ask them, come on, name which community helper. Yes, tell me which community helper is this?
Doctor.
Which community helper?
Teacher.
Okay. Which community helper?
Tailor.
Tailor.
Yes. So this is how you can enact in front of them. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, for community helpers, you can even like make children dress up. Okay. And you can say like, come on, here, who is this? Yes, she's Divya. Divya is a doctor. Okay. So, what are you wearing? Yes, there is a white coat. Okay. Yes, and oh, she has a stethoscope.
मम्मा को फोन कर, कुछ काम है, फोन आ रहा है.
Who's this? Mute yourself. Okay, yes. Can you see an injection in her hand? Yes. So who is this?
Doctor.
Doctor. She has dressed up as a doctor. Okay. Fine. So this is how you can take. You can even like go for rhymes. Which rhymes you can take? Can you tell me any rhyme? धोबी आया, सब्जी वाला आया, right? You can go with the 10 little firemen. Yes. You can even go for a baker's man. There are many rhymes, songs related to the community helpers which you can take. Okay. Fine? Clear? Any doubts? No? Okay. Chalo, who'll read? Rinku, read.
Yes, ma'am. Community helpers. Dramatization of the roles of different helpers should be encouraged. Rhymes and songs on community helpers can be recited or sung with children. Ask all children to stand in a semicircle. The teacher should start facing the children and sing. धोबी आया, कितने कपड़े लाया, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Community helpers can be introduced to children with the help of pictures, charts, etc. When children are familiar with the function of various community helpers, the children can be divided into 2 teams. One team can act out the function performed by each community helper, and the other team will identify the community helper.
Correct. Got it? Any doubts? Okay. Now for today, who will perform? Swati, come on. Swati. Any activity?
Ma'am, I won't be able to do right now.
Why?
Hello?
Yes, it is very easy.
Yes, ma'am, but right now I am not able to do. There's some issues.
अभी नहीं कर पाओगे तो वाइवा में भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगा करना.
हाँ मैम, next time for sure I will do.
नेक्स्ट टाइम दूसरा क्लास आने वाला नहीं है. ये हो
क्लास में मैंने एक बार किया है मैम, मैं अब भी नहीं कर सकती.
Who is going to perform? Yes, come on, Chitra.
Yes, ma'am. I'd like to perform on self and family.
Okay.
This is purple.
Yes. Hi, good morning, children. Today, let's have, ma'am, I'll not be able to do the expression part of it. with the signboards and all. I'll just say it verbally to the extent possible.
Chalega.
Yeah, yeah. Uh, Good morning, children. How are you all? Look very fresh. Good, good. So happy to see all your smiling faces. So today, everybody will be now going through the concept of family. Yes, family means mummy, daddy, grandpa, grandma, brother, sister, auntie, uncle. Wow. Yes, familiar with all this? Yes, we stay with our family in a nice cozy house. Yes, so today we'll have a free conversation on family and your own self. So come on, Reena, come here. Tell me, what's your name? Okay, Reena. Okay, what do you like, Reena? I like to play. Good. And what do you love doing? What is your activity like other than playing? Okay, eating, dancing. Very nice. Where do you live, Reena? I live in Goregaon. Okay, that's very good. And Reena, how many people stay with you? My father, my mother, my grandma, and my grandpa. Very nice. They all love you very much, right? Very good. So you like to live with your family and love your family very dearly. Very good. Very nice. Come on. The same ma'am would go with the other student on the same parameters. So I won't reiterate the same thing. I'll just go forward with the worksheet of drawing up the family tree.
Correct. Very good.
So I'll just say, look children, we'll be all doing a worksheet and I'll be teaching you how to draw your family tree. See, I've given you all worksheet. It contains a tracing of the family tree. So let us all come on, start tracing. First draw the bark of the tree, then let it grow, then trace along the tree main where you see leaves, little bit of barks here and there, branches. Yes? Yes, very nice. Now, right at the top is your own self. Write your name. What is your name? Okay, I write my name as Chitra. Okay, after Chitra comes your mother's name. Write your mother's name. Write your father's name. Yes, then after them come to your grandmother. Then comes your grandfather. And what about your brothers and sisters? They also are a part of your family. So their names also come simultaneously. Okay, and then who else after that comes? Aunt, your uncle. Yes, put them also in respective boxes. Then come your cousins. Yes, who are as mischievous and playful like you. They also come in the family tree. Yes. So now what? We have nicely done all your family tree. Now let's use one color crayons to identify and distinguish each family member. Red for your father, green for your mother, yellow for your cousins, purple for your grandfather, and so on. Whatever colors you all like, you all shade the boxes. And the main tree would be in green and brown. Yes? So, you all like coloring and also drawing a family tree in this way? Come on, start doing. So, I'll make them do that activity of coloring and identifying the family tree. And once they are done, I'll just say goodbye.
Yes, very nice, very good, very good. Next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
If you don't mind, is there anything else to this session?
No, dear.
Is there any theory or explanation attached to this session?
No.
Can I leave because I have some urgent commitment? That's the reason I asked you.
No problem. You can.
You can. Thank you, ma'am. It was a very nice session all these days. Thank you so much for making us more knowledgeable than we currently are. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Really appreciate your valuable inputs.
Hello, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah. Bye, ma'am. I'd like to leave up. Kindly don't mind.
Yes. No problem.
Ma'am.
Bye.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Why you want to leave?
Because I want to take medicine. I'm having sore throat.
Okay. No
Will
problem.
do?
You can take your medicines and you can join. You can see others how they are doing. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I'll just take and come.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Next, who will do?
Ma'am, can I leave? Right?
Yes, you can.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Thank
Bye.
you.
Hinja, chalo.
Hello.
Chalo, who is performing? Hinja or Rupali?
Am I audible? Ma'am, I'll do it. Rupali here.
Okay, start Rupali.
I'm doing on community helpers.
Okay.
So, good afternoon, children. How are you, everyone? So, today we are going to learn on community helpers. So, first tell me, what is community helpers? Does anyone knows? Yes, yes, no. I will tell you. One who help us is called a community helpers. Now, let me ask you that one who brings milk in the morning, what we call them as? Who gets milk for you? Mama? No, no, no. It's a milkman. Actually, a special person is appointed to give us milk, and that person we called as a milkman. Okay? A person called milkman, he serves milks to everyone. Okay? Now let me ask you one more question. When you fall sick, who gives you medicines? Mama? No. No, Ria. It's not mama. Whenever you fall sick, where your mama takes you, she takes you to the doctor. And doctor, what the doctor gives you? The doctor gives you a medicine. Okay? So even doctor is a community helper. Got it? Now you tell me that one who wash clothes, what we call them as? It's a dhobi. Yes, right, right. Come on, everyone now. Do you know the song Dhobi Aya? Can everyone sing? Come on, let's sing in chorus. Dhobi Aya, Dhobi Aya, kapde gin, कितने कपड़े लाया, कितने कपड़े लाया, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 और bus. Good, very nice. So today what we learned? The community helpers. The person who helps us is called a community helpers. Now even whenever, I just want to ask you one more thing, that whenever you want to mend your shoes, who helps you out? Yes, it's a cobbler. Right, right, you're right. Now just tell me, I'll just enact in front of you. You just tell me, who is this person? One who gives injection. Who is that person? Yes, yes, Sanika, you're right. It's a doctor. And one who, can you see the action? Can you see the action? Yes. Someone is stitching a clothes. What we call that person as? Yes, it's a tailor. Very nice, Ria. Good, good job. So now everyone, it's a homework for you. Can you please go home and just see, write, just list, by taking help of your mama, you can just list the community helpers, the person who helps us. For example, milkman, newspaper boy. These are the people who help us. Can you please take your mama's help for this and make a note of all these community helpers? Okay. Okay, so see you again tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Thank you, ma'am. Any,
Rupali, I would
Yes.
correct you over here.
Yes.
As you said, ki, acha, mama brings milk for you. No, no, don't say like that. Now,
Okay.
mama is, okay, mama brings milk for you. Okay.
Okay.
But does your mama go everybody in each and every house and goes and give milk?
Okay.
No. So there is a person who is appointed to give milk
Okay.
to everyone's house, that is called as a milkman.
Okay.
So milkman is a community helper. Explain
Okay.
them that. Mama
Okay,
is
got
not
it.
wrong. Okay, mama gives
Okay.
you medicine? No. Yes, mama gives you medicine, but if your friend is ill, will your mama go and give her medicine? No.
Okay.
A mama goes, takes your friend to the doctor, and the
Right.
doctor is a community helper.
Okay, got it, got
He
it.
gives medicines. Okay?
Okay, okay,
That way it should go.
okay,
Clear?
got it.
Okay. Now when you are introducing, introduce only one at a time.
Okay,
बहुत सारे community helpers मत सिखाओ.
okay,
You give more information about one community helper. हाँ, if
okay.
you are taking with the senior KG children, अब already play group से बच्चा सीख रहा है community helper, okay? Play group में भी किया, nursery में भी किया, junior में भी किया, senior KG में भी किया. तो senior
Right.
KG में आप ये common नहीं ले सकते हो community helpers. क्या लोगे?
Senior
KG के लिए
Policeman.
policeman, fireman, we can go.
Fireman. Astronaut.
Astronaut, yes.
Dentist.
Dentist, okay.
Pilot.
Pilot, okay.
Traffic police.
Traffic police. Take something different, okay?
Okay,
So when you are planning, you think from that point of view,
okay,
okay?
okay.
Fine.
I just want to ask you one more thing. Now, when we'll be performing in Viva, in that, how we will do? Means we will have to take only one at a time? Only one we have to do, or we have, means how it will go?
See, it is
Just
up
a
to
little
you.
bit confused actually.
It is up to you. If you are introducing, I would always suggest, अगर introduce करते हो एक या दो, उससे ज्यादा मत लो.
Okay,
आप एक के ऊपर भी बहुत सारी मतलब बता सकते हो. There are lot of
Okay.
information which you can give on
Okay.
one particular. आपके पास 5 मिनट है. अगर आप डॉक्टर ले रहे हो, आपके पास बहुत कुछ है बताने के लिए with the doctor.
okay,
अगर आप कोई भी, अगर 1 या 2,
okay,
उसके साथ वो एक्टिविटी मतलब जो कम्युनिटी हेल्पर लिया है उसके साथ एक सॉन्ग अगर ऐड कर सकते हो, सॉन्ग ऐड करो. वर्कशीट दे सकते हो तो वर्कशीट ऐड करो. तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली 5 मिनट्स हो जाएगा. Because you are giving information about that community helper, you are giving them the worksheet. Okay? So you can finish it off within that 5 minutes.
Okay, got it, ma'am.
Okay?
Got it.
Because if you are going to say many things, you
They
might
will get confused.
forget. अगर आप 2-3 ले रहे हो, अरे इसके बारे में क्या बोलूं और क्या बोलूं, आप भूल सकते हैं.
Okay, got it, got it.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you help me out with the numbers of activity, because I had missed my 2 lectures. So I printing is 8 number, and after that tearing, cutting, and pasting is the 9th number.
Just a second. Huh? Printing is 8, tearing, cutting is 9, threading is 10, paper folding is 11, sense of seeing is 12, sense of hearing is 13, sense of smell is 14, sense of taste is 15, sense of touch is 16, memory and observation is 17, classification is 18, sequential thinking is 19, problem solving is 20, concept of color is 21, concept of shape 22, concept of time 23, concept of space 24, concept of temperature 25, concept of size 26, concept of 7 27, sorry, concept of weight, concept of 8, quantity 28, concept of thickness 29, concept of position 30, concept of length 31, concept of height 32, concept of distance 33, concept of width 34, concept of temperature 35, number concept 36, and आज हमने शुरू किया 37, vegetables and fruits.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome.
Ma'am, can I leave because I have other online lecture of my daughter?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for teaching all this.
Thank you. Yes, next. Let's do one more activity. Who will do? Yes.
I will do.
Can I do, Miss?
Yes, yes, do.
Yes. So I will do concept of water. Concept of water. Okay. Good afternoon, children. You all had your lunch today? Yes. Now today we will start learning about concept of water. So can you all tell me from where do we get water? Yes. From where do we get water, Rashmi? Yes, we get water from rain. Yes. And for what we use water? For drinking, bathing, washing utensils, for cooking food. Your mama uses water for cooking food, na? Yes. So, and your mama also uses water for cleaning the house? Yes. Then water is very important for all. Very important for all. Yes, we can't live without water. Yes, water is very important in our life. Yes. Then we do not waste water. Yes. Now I will show you some example of water. Yes. Can you all see a glass of water? Yes. I will pour some water in this glass. Can you see this water? Yes, in this water I will put some coin and I will put some stone. Later on I will add some sugar and salt and pieces of thermocol. So what you see in this? See, can you see stone? It is sink down. Yes, and what you see? Can you see sugar and salt? No. Can you see, Rupali? Sugar and salt? No, na? Yeah. It is dissolved in water. Yes, very good. So, sugar and salt dissolve in water. And what you see? And what you see a pieces of thermocol. Yes, it is floating on water. Yes? So, today what you learn about? Today you learn about the concept of water. Yes? That's I'm ending, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Bhavna, here you can add on like, yes, children, we learned about water. So, the water, there are few objects which dissolves in water,
Okay.
some sinks in water, and some floats on water.
Floats on water.
So, you can add on with that, right?
Okay. Okay.
Otherwise, very good, very nice. Now, Bhavna has really, I think so, performed throughout this session, right? Very nicely.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Every time she is very, sportingly coming out and doing, yes, I am ready to do. Okay, very good.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Fine. So, any doubts, children? Do you all feel anything you all want to ask?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, as and
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, every time we have to introduce the topic also, or it is like directly saying something and going on the topic, or we have
No.
to exactly say the topic to the children?
I would suggest always when we start, okay, हमें introduction करना ही चाहिए. अब जैसे ही enter करोगे क्लास में क्या करोगे? Good morning, children. ऐसे करोगे ना? So
Sorry, miss.
When you
Not
enter,
about that introduction, exact on the topic. For example, we are today I'm going to explain about fruits and vegetables. So I should specify them that today I'm going to do some activity on fruits and vegetables, or indirectly I bought something for you and these are the fruits
you
and
can
vegetables.
go for that. You can go for that. See, look here. What do I have? Wow, a basket full of vegetables. Lovely green vegetables. Yes. So today we are going to learn about vegetables. That way you can start.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Anybody else want to say something?
Ma'am, the activity about self and family, there is other thing, the same activity can be done with father and mother's name too. So can you
Yes.
explain that?
Here you can take say, okay, so we have today what we have done free conversation. Yes, talking about ourselves. Now tomorrow I want you all to speak about your family. So you are going to talk who is in your family, mummy, daddy, brother. So you will come one by one and talk about what is your mother name. Yes, so you will say your mother name, your father name, what is your father doing, how many brothers do you have. So that is about your family. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, miss.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Fine, any doubts, children?
No, miss.
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
so we end the session over here.
Ma'am, just have a question. Rupali
Yes.
here. Whenever we do this, at the end means just need a little guideline. How we exactly end actually? It's
By concluding the theme,
okay.
the activity, what you have done. Yes.
Now suppose
So
for
what
example
we
I have taken community helper. So at the end means how can I do the ending of that?
ending you have to say, so which community helper we learned, children, today? About doctor. Yes, and we learned about a milkman. Okay, so which two community helpers we learned? Milkman and doctor.
Okay, in that way.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. Got it.
Welcome.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome. So
Thank you,
children,
ma'am.
we will be WhatsApping you the details, further details, and we will be letting you know as and when the lectures would be conducted. The schedule is ready. We shall post it in the group. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
The important thing is that you need to fill the form. If you have not filled the form, or your friends, we will not entertain you all in the sessions, live sessions. Okay? Mention whatever you have missed. Please mention. You can fill the form and we will come to know. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So, ma'am, there is
Bye-bye.
class tomorrow. Ma'am,
Yes, want to ask something?
Andrea here.
Yes, Andrea.
There is class tomorrow.
Oh dear, the session is over.
Over, no?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, so and the return exam is when after September only it will be, or when the lockdown
I
gets
don't
over?
know लॉकडाउन कब खत्म होगा पता ही नहीं है. जुलाई एक एक्सटेंड हो चुका, हमें लगा जुलाई से शुरू हो जाएगा, but no, we don't know. Once we come to know, then only we can think further. We
Okay,
are
so
still working
internship
from home.
and all everything will be held after the lockdown only, no?
Yes, dear.
Okay.
And the PG lecture, ma'am, you said it will be starting from 6 July onwards, right, ma'am?
हाँ, वो online होगा.
Okay, and the timing would be the same. You'll be sending us the details, right?
We will
For
be
that?
sending you the details. We will be
Okay.
sending you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. We really
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.